Another idea, a lot of people, they trying to get into electrician license or plumbing license. So they have a lot of special school. They give you the certificate for the training. After this, you can get trained. After this, you can get the license. Everybody, they are scared of getting the license because the exam is hard, blah, 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 blah. My advice right now, any state license in California, they have something that's called crash course. So if you are an electrician, you want to pass the exam, try to get a crash course on this subject. Okay, mostly what happens in the crash course is mostly is a question and answer. Okay, so they give you a little question, multiple choice, and you try to practice this question, and 70 to 80% of the practicing exam you will find it on the exam. Why? This is the system the state exams are doing. They have something that's called a pool, like a swimming pool. They have 5-6 instructors. They put the exam. Everyone, they put like 300 questions. Okay. After this, they put it in the computer, and each one of them they put 300 questions. And in the end of the day, they have it in the system on all the subjects. What will happen? Because they repeat it, they don't change the exam every year. Some state exam is different, but you can make it happen. So if you are a plumber, electrician, do not be scared to get your license. It's very easy, guys. Okay?